Transform your life with mindful eating. When was the last time you truly tasted your food, felt gratitude for it, experienced eating as something more than just fueling your body? Mindful eating is a practice that brings peace, awareness, and joy into something we do every day. In this video, we'll explore what mindful eating is, how awareness transforms the way we eat, listening to your body's cues, the power of gratitude in food, how to savor each bite, overcoming emotional eating, and bringing mindful eating into your life. Plus, I'll walk you through a simple mindful eating exercise you can try now. Thank you for being here. My name is Sana and I'm with Vibration Mentor, where we support our clients in having a joyous journey in life no matter what is happening around them. This is so they can manifest the life they choose. Let's get started.
Food connects us across cultures, families, and generations. It's a universal language of love. What if I told you that how you eat, your attention, your mindset could change not just your relationship with food, but your entire life? Today we explore mindful eating, a practice so simple yet profound. It can transform every meal into a source of joy, health, and connection. Hello, beautiful souls. I'm so happy that you're here because in our fast-paced world, eating has become a hurried ritual, something we do while checking emails or scrolling on our phones. But what if meals could be moments of peace, presence, and gratitude, just somewhere where you can reset throughout the day? Mindful eating is not just about chewing slowly or eating healthier. It's about reconnecting with your food, your body, and the world around you. So today, let's dive deep into the art of mindful eating. Together, we'll uncover why it matters, how to start, and how this practice can ripple out to transform every aspect of your life. Let's start with the basics. What is mindful eating? It's a practice of fully engaging in the act of eating. It's more than just tasting your food. It's noticing the colors, the textures, the smells, and most importantly, the emotions that you bring to the table. In essence, mindful eating is a celebration, a way of saying thank you to the earth, the farmers, the cook, and yourself. It's about being present and recognizing food as nourishment, not just for the body, but for the soul. Awareness is the foundation of mindful eating, and it starts before the first bite. Take a moment and look at your plate. Notice the colors, the deep reds of a bright tomato, the golden hues of roasted vegetables. Smell the aromas, or are they earthy, sweet, savory, or maybe not so great, depending on who cooked them. This simple act of observing your food pulls you into the present moment. It reminds you this is not just another meal, it's a gift. Our bodies are always talking to us, but we rarely listen. Mindful eating invites us to ask, am I truly hungry, or am I eating out of habit, stress, or boredom? Here's a practice. Before you eat, pause and take 3 deep breaths. Notice how your body feels. Is there a rumble of hunger, or is it something else? When you eat with intention, you begin to align your choices with what your body truly needs. It's an act of self-love. So here's a thought that changed the way I see food. A single cherry tomato takes 3 months to grow. Imagine the sunlight, the rain, the care that went into nourishing and nurturing that one bite. And not to mention the people who had to pick it and logistics, and for me to enjoy this like a cherry tomato. It's crazy. When we approach food with gratitude, it transforms our experience. We're no longer just eating. We're honoring the journey that brought this meal to our plate. Try this. Before your next meal, pause and say thank you. Thank the earth, thank the people, and even yourself for bringing this food into your life. Feel the vibration of that gratitude. It's incredibly powerful. Savoring is where the magic happens. When you chew slowly and without distraction, You unlock a world of flavors and textures you might have missed. And here's something to try. Take one bite and let it sit on your tongue. Notice the flavors. Is it sweet, salty, or tangy? Maybe sour. Feel the texture, smooth, crunchy, creamy. Savoring isn't just about the food. It's about creating a moment of joy, a moment of connection. It's about living fully, even in the small things. Food is often our go-to comfort, a way to fill emotional voids. But mindful eating helps us pause and ask, what am I truly hungry for? When emotions arise, try replacing automatic eating with a moment of mindfulness. Journal your feelings, take a walk, or simply breathe. This shift allows us to care for our emotional needs without using food as a crutch. Start small, choose one meal a day to eat mindfully. Turn off distractions, no phones, no TV, just you and your food. As you practice, notice how it feels. Are you more satisfied, more present? Over time, mindful eating becomes second nature, a gift to give yourself every day. Mindful eating is just the beginning. When you bring presence to your meals, you start to bring presence to other areas of your life. Your work, your relationships, your rest. So here's my invitation to you. Begin today, start small, maybe when you're having a snack, and let every bite be a step toward a more mindful, joyful, and balanced life. Even if you're in a hurry and you're very stressed, try at least to take a few bites where you're truly savoring that meal. Thank you for sharing this journey with me. And if this resonated with you, please feel free to go to vibrationmentor.com or join a member community so we can support you directly on your joyous journey. All right, beautiful souls, it's time to take everything we've learned today and make it yours. Because transformation doesn't just happen by listening, it happens through action. Right now, we're going to create your mindful eating blueprint. This is your personalized plan to bring more presence, joy, and connection to every meal. Take a moment to grab a pen and paper or open the notes app on your phone. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. I want you to ask yourself this one question first. How do I currently eat? And how does it make me feel? Write down whatever comes to mind very quickly, no judgment, just pure honesty. And are you rushing through meals, eating while distracted, or maybe you're already taking moments to enjoy your food? This is your starting point, so be real with yourself. Great, and now we're going to do a 3-minute experience. Now let's dream a little. Imagine your ideal eating experience. Picture it vividly. The food on your plate, the environment around you, the feelings in your body. Ask yourself these questions. What does it look like to eat with joy and gratitude? How would I feel if I slowed down and truly savored every bite? What kind of energy would I bring to the table? Write these visions down. Don't hold back. This is about designing a future where meals nourish not just your body, but your soul. And come back after you finish. Welcome back. Now we're going to commit to small daily actions. Now let's bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Change doesn't happen all at once. It's built on small, consistent steps. So I want you to choose 3 mindful eating habits you can start practicing today. Here are some ideas. Take 3 deep breaths before every meal. Put your fork down between bites and savor. Express gratitude silently or aloud before eating. Write down your 3 habits that you want to create, and these are going to be your commitments to yourself. Small changes done consistently will create profound shifts in all of your life. Thank you for writing down these commitments to yourself. And finally, let's end with gratitude. Look at the blueprint you've just created. The reflections, the vision, the actions. This is your guide to eating with intention and love. Now place your hand on your heart and say this aloud or in your mind. I'm grateful for the food that nourishes me. I'm grateful for this body that carries me. I'm grateful for the opportunity to live and eat with joy. Feel the gratitude and let it settle into your body. You've just created your mindful eating blueprint, a map to transform not just how you eat, but how you live. Now I want to hear from you. What's one habit you're committing to today? Drop it in the comments below and inspire someone else. And remember, mindful eating is a gift you give yourself, one bite at a time. Let's walk this journey together. Until next time, eat with love, live with gratitude, and stay vibrationally aligned. I believe in you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue your journey of self-growth and manifestation, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, at Vibration Mentor, we're here to support you in creating a joyous life, no matter what's happening around you. Keep manifesting, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.